Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add meta title or description in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use, then simply click on enter. After that it will simply take you to the browser, then you have to simply put in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, then click on enter again, and after that what you need to do is simply click on the pages icon here in the left hand side. Once you are in this dashboard, then you have to simply choose a page, then you have to simply click on the edit icon from here, and once you click on the edit icon it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. And from here in the right hand side, here you will get the option of generate title options. You have to just simply click on it, and here you can see that the improved title for CU is already doing here, and you can just simply click it to replace the title from here. And after that what you need to do is simply scroll down, and here in the excerpt option you have to just simply click on the generate, and here you can see that the generate option will automatically show you some word here in the right hand excerpt here. So that's how you can easily do this by meta title. Add a meta title in your WordPress site. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.